Hi Sketch Lab friends, let's draw this cute kitty cat today. So we're going to start off with 2 dots. That determines how wide the head is. And then we're going to draw this rainbow line. Aw, our cute kitty is playing with some yarn today. I wonder if I could teach this cute kitty how to create a weaving today. I think I can. So we have a line that curves to the right, and now we're going to have a line that also curves to the left. And that's the shape of our little kitty cat's head. So this is a loom. It's a wooden support, and there's 2 sets of threads. There's the warp threads that are vertical, and the weft threads go left to right. And our little kitty, yeah, you got to use an over and under pattern. Yeah, over, under, over, under. Oh, looks like our kitty is becoming an amazing weaver. See, kitty? Yarn's just not for playing with. You can create a weaving with that yarn. So when you're drawing the eyes of this character, we want to make sure that we draw them big, because that's what makes them so cute. They have exaggerated proportions, right? Big eyes, tiny nose, tiny mouth. And we're going to go ahead and fill in the area around those 2 white dots, which are highlights inside of the eye. Well, I'm so proud of you, kitty cat. You're already becoming an amazing weaver. Oh, look at that. Look how much fabric that the little kitty cat made. Wow. I wonder what the kitty cat's going to turn that into. So we're going to draw a little line that curves down, another one. They're like 2 little smiley faces, and then one more line that curves down for the mouth. Okay guys, we're going to make 2 dots. That's going to determine the size of the ears. When we're drawing these shapes, guys, we want to pay attention to the size. So we know the shape's a triangle, but we also want to make sure that we draw it in the proper size. Look on this side, we have another triangle for the ear. Oh, it looks like our little kitty cat is cutting the fabric. I think it had a pattern. Have you ever been to the fabric store? They have all sorts of fabric, and they have patterns you can use to make clothes. Oh, look at that. I didn't know you could sew. So we curve a line to the right and curve a line to the left for the body of this little kitty cat. Awesome, guys. So this is its little arms. And then we're going to draw its little feet. Aw, look at that, guys. Our cute kitty made a sweater. Good job, kitty cat. And this is the tail. Hey guys, don't forget to add details. Add your whiskers, rosy cheeks. You can add the little prints on its paws. Good job, guys. Way to go. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.